What's up, lovely people? Welcome back. So today's recipe is long overdue. I posted this on my Instagram some weeks ago. I promised the recipe and I've also received a few requests, and because this is the last avocado or pear from the tree, I'm like, you know what, let me just get this recipe up and running. So here I have all the ingredients. You will need salt, baking soda, baking powder, freshly grated ginger. I'm also going to add some ginger powder. You will need vanilla extract, water, molasses, freshly grated nutmeg, cane sugar, vegan butter. Now I'm using this Earth Balance unsalted butter and I'm using half a stick. Alright, and you will also need some flour. I'm using some unbleached all-purpose flour, but you can use any flour of your choice. Now the full list and measurements will be listed in the description, so make sure you check that out. To get started, I'm going to combine the wet ingredients and dissolve the sugar. So you just want to combine the two until this forms like a breadcrumbs like consistency. Now after that, I'm going to add the ginger and make sure that the ginger is evenly distributed. So once done, gradually add the liquid because you might not need all of it. Alright, so just gradually add this until it forms like a soft, sticky dough. Once done and onto a floured surface, I'm going to knead this for about 2 minutes to bring everything together, and then I'm going to allow this to rest for about 10 minutes. So once you're done, your dough should still be soft but manageable. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is to cover this and allow this to sit for 10 minutes. After the dough has rested and onto a floured surface, roll it out to about 1 inch thick. I'm using a small pot cover to form the bullas, but you can use a bowl, a plate, or a cookie cutter if you have it. I'm going to place these onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and repeat the same process for the remaining dough. This recipe makes 6 decent sized bulla and I had a small piece of the dough left. So next is to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, bulla up and running, and let me tell you, this smells amazing. Honestly, this takes me back to primary school when they used to have those Nutribulas. Oh my goodness, those were so good. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. Hands down, Bulla and Pear is one of the baddest combo. So soft, flavorful, so good. You just need a glass of water or limeade to wash it down. That's it, lovely people. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all try and enjoy this recipe. And until next time, God bless.